Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good. In our last video, we discussed about the requirements of getting new driving license after passing theoretical tests. Let's move on to the next step. Eye test for driving license. The eye test can be taken at one of the approved Sharia eye test centers such as Grand Optics, UTM Opticians, Al Jaber Optical and Rivoli Eye Zone. Cost of eye test in UAE Sharia between AED 100 to AED 130. After passing the eye test, let's move to next step. Driving license file opening. Documents required to open a traffic file include copy of passport and residence visa page, copy and original Emirates ID card to photograph's eye test report, no objection letter from the sponsor if required by the related traffic department. Cost of file opening in UAE Sharia between AED 200 to AED 240. And the cost of theoretical test between AED 550 to AED 562. How long will it take to get license in Sharia? Most of the beginner students have passed their parking, assessment, and final road tests in their first attempt and obtained their UAE driving license in less than 45 days. Plus, to make the process even easier, the instructor provides free pick and drop service within limited areas of Sharia. Hope so this information is helpful for you.